Today's vibes are brought to you by a gigantic tumbler of coffee. Like, this is my full French press coffee pot in here. And of course, bougie gold straw, because fancy. The agenda today is a work day, but first I'm going with Lila to her doctor's appointment in Natchitoches. So we're gonna do a little bit of shopping, probably get some meat pies, and then head to work in the afternoon and get some masks made because we've got a few orders to fill. And I think kids' masks are going to be in demand with the coming school year, so we're going to kind of jump onto that. But I just feel like playing Naked Cherry today, and yeah, just doing something kind of soft and easy. Like, I had time this morning to kind of fart around, but I just didn't feel like it. Doing anything elaborate. And yeah, so this is good as it gets today. So yeah, obviously I'm in my work uniform because we are going to work later today. I just gotta put my shorts on and shoes, and we'll be ready to start this Tuesday morning, which feels like a Monday to me. We had an extended weekend. Everything got flip-flopped a little bit. Like, we switched Tuesday schedules with Monday schedules, and so it feels like Monday. Maybe slept 5 hours, if that. I don't know, 4 hours. But I actually got up when my alarm went off like a good girl, so I'll be able to go to bed early tonight and not screw my sleep schedule up too terribly much. Yeah, I have to have my glasses on to work because I can't see the so without them. And I don't know why I put so much effort in the lips because I'm just gonna have to wear a face mask most of the day. But hey ho. But it's gonna get the skin light and glowy today and kind of effortless and just easy. Just what I was kind of just in the mood for. So I'm gonna get my backpack, sort my purse out, and get everything ready to start the day. Good morning. It is Wednesday, Friends Day. I have to work a little bit today, and I'm about to leave. It's almost 9. We're doing a foundation wear test, or no, a concealer wear test also today with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I feel like getting cute today. Look at this hair. Look at that. It's so cute. I love it. And just with a Type Negative t-shirt. That's what's up today. We are gonna go make some masks, and then we're having our Wednesday Friends Day dinner at another friend's house, and we're having Asian food night. So yeah, it should be a pretty fun, long day, and yeah, let's get this day going. Today is also brought to you by a giant tumbler of coffee. Good morning. It is 11 a.m. I've been up. I'm repeating a wear test because I goofed it the day before. I got some stuff in PR. I got some stuff from Murad. They're clarifying oil-free water gel. So we're gonna be testing this out in the coming days and see how it goes. And I also got their Invisalign resurfacing treatment. This is like a silicone primer, but it has BHA in it to help resurface. And I do have some issue with scarring on my cheeks and around my eyebrows, so we will definitely be testing that out. And I got a full size. I had already gotten a sample of this and really liked it, but I got sent a full size. This is the Biosense Squalane plus vitamin C rose oil. This is really nice. I really like this stuff. Like, it sinks into your skin. It doesn't feel super greasy and heavy. And yeah, I got that on today underneath my foundation. I put it on kind of early, or let it soak in, do its magic, and then we did the makeup. But yeah, that was a pretty exciting thing. Both things came the same day. It was really weird. It was like, surprise! And I'm also ordered the She's in Parties palette, which I'm really excited to get from Milt. I'm so excited. Yeah, today's a work day. I think it's just gonna be like a half work day. I'm going in this afternoon. We just got some headbands to make, and I think potentially a couple masks. I don't know. I can also want to make myself a new one. So we'll see what we get into today. Good morning. Long time no vlog. I know. I was actually in quarantine for 2 weeks there, so it wasn't anything fun to vlog about. But yeah, couldn't leave the house, couldn't do anything, obviously. So I just thought of it as a staycation and did some editing. But out of quarantine now. I'm good. I'm still being very cautious because it's scary. I gotten potentially exposed through somebody at a friend's house kind of thing, so yeah. And now Louisiana is under a mandatory mask because we were doing really good, and then it just all went to hell in a handbasket over here. But it is currently 7 a.m. on a Wednesday, and we are just getting our day started over here. I actually finally got my sleep schedule cycled back around as well. I'm just having some coffee this morning. About to just do a little quick manicure and do some editing, and then later on today I'm going to do some filming. But yeah, we got our new TV in, which is hella awesome. We got the Samsung frame. I saw Leanne says mention it in a vlog where they were talking about wanting to get it. I was like, what is this? Because we've been in the market for a new TV. So I googled it, and I was immediately sold. And yeah, we ordered it that day. So it just now came in, and I just set it up this morning, like the settings and everything, personalized it, where you can do like paintings. It has an ambient mode it can go into that does like a pretty screensavers and stuff, and like some soft music, and it's got like all these different options where you can pick like vibes, and it's crazy. But when you go to turn it off, it, instead of just going black, it comes up with a like a piece of artwork, and you can pick from like their gallery, and you can pay for like real artwork and stuff to put on there, but you can put your own if you hook your phone up to it, which is what I did. So I just put some Deus Ex backgrounds, and so now we have like a Deus Ex looking house, and I'm really proud of it. And that's what it does is it will turn into like a painting, and it looks like a work of art when it's turned off, and then you can set it on a timer to where it will fully turn off after a while. I think I set it to like 4 hours, and then every 30 minutes I have it where it switches to a different picture, and it has like, you know, like matting behind it and everything. And they have where you can buy like wooden frames that are magnetic that you can snap around it to match your decor, and you hang it. Well, ideally you're supposed to hang it on the wall, and it looks like a canvas hanging on the wall and like blend into your wall. Oh, it can also mimic what's behind your wall. Like I think you just take a picture and upload it and do something, and it can blend into like your wallpaper or whatever is behind it, which is really cool. But we just have solid colors, so there's no point in that, and I wanted the artwork feature. But oh my god, is it so nice. And also, like with the new Samsung TVs, it comes with channels like that are like Samsung channels. There's a Rift Tracks channel. There's like 2 different home channels, like that's kind of like HGTV but not. There's like Chive TV, all these different little things you can just put on and watch and not have to pay for. They just come with their Samsung accounts. I'm like, hell yeah, that's awesome. And it's got, you know, Apple TV and all that pre-installed. Really easy to log into everything. Oh my god, it's so streamlined and just so much better than the TV we had before. We had a smart TV, but it was like a really old generation. I think it was like one of the first ones that came out, and it was slow, and I was like, what's the point in these? These suck. Like, but now I get it. They have come a long way. Like that thing's just a computer basically. It's like a smartphone. Like you can do everything on it. I just watched one of my YouTube videos on it just to see what I look like on TV. That hits different seeing yourself on a big screen. But anyway, I'm just really excited about that. Like, I don't want to edit, I just want to sit in there and play with the TV and watch stuff. But I need to get some work done while I can. Anyway, I'm about to paint my nails with an SE nail polish that looks black, but it's actually, what does that say? Wicked. It's just a really dark purple. Kind of a plummy purple, and still using the base coat and top coat. I'm really liking it. The manicure I did with both of those held up so well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do a look later with the She's in Parties palette and an update. I'm mid-filming a hair video. I bought the pastel gray from Overtone, and not that you can see in this lighting, but I used it as a toner in my hair to get rid of the yellow, and it worked like a charm. Oh, hell yeah. Because I just wanted my hair to look really cold colored, not change the color necessarily, just change the tone of it, and it did phenomenal. That's what I'm kind of up to today. And I think my husband's gonna run by urgent care because he needs a shot for his allergies. And yeah, he actually took off work today because he was under the weather with allergy stuff and he didn't sleep. But that's all that's on the docket for the day. But anyway, I'll check in later if we do something fun. I'm just gonna go ahead and get to editing and painting my nails. Finally finished filming today. I was just gonna film a little tutorial, and it kind of turned into a whole coffee makeup chit chat situation. I also curled my hair a little bit, went for some beachy, whatever, waves, and basically what I call a little swamp witch hair. Kind of like how it came out, and did a pretty good job. Anyway, yeah, that is all that's up for today. I did edit 2 videos this morning. I had like skin or something. Okay. I did get 2 videos edited this morning, so that was cool. And yeah, real exciting day. Here's how the nails came out, by the way. You can see that. This color right here, I'm so tickled with. It kind of matches the She's and Parties shade from the She's and Parties palette. So, yeah. I don't know what to do with the rest of my day. I'm waiting for my husband to get up so I can give us some dinner. I'm getting hungry. Also, yeah, the eye look is from the She's and Parties palette. What happened to my to my voice? Yeah, I just started really going with the purples. I call this corpse glam. Undead girl glam. I don't know. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna hang out with Pumpkin and import footage for the rest of the day. Real exciting, I know. I'm an exciting gal these days. So yeah. And this is the TV, by the way. Not the best way to capture it. I'm gonna maybe take some footage of it at night so you can see how it looks, but that's just a Deus Ex background I found online and I put on there. And so it kind of does like a matting shadow box effect around it. So that was pretty cool. And yeah, it looks like a painting. But this is my entertainment center. There we go. But yeah, there's a better look at it. Oh god, this room is such a mess. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi, Pumpkin. Super zoom. Look at that face. Oh my goodness. How are you so cute? Hey, Pumpkin. What are you doing? Why are you so cute? Whoop. Ooh. 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 What? Ooh. She's looking at me like I'm crazy. Okay, I am. Good morning. Yes, you just saw me getting ready for the day. I'm testing out a new angle and a new setup right here, so we'll see how that works. I'm just feeling a little antsy with my film setup. Like, I think I want to get a new ring light. Everything just feels a little too dark, I guess. And I don't know, I was just thinking about framing and kind of trying to study how the framing is set up in other videos, and I feel like I could definitely have a better setup. Anyway, yeah, good morning. I decided to go ahead and get my day started, even though I'm not going anywhere or doing anything, with some makeup, because it makes me feel better, it makes me feel a little productive, like I'm actually getting something done today. I don't know, it just makes me feel a little more ready for the day. We've got our cup of coffee, we've had our breakfast already, and it is already 9 a.m. My gosh, I've got so much to do. Well, I don't really. Actually, I just wanted to do some editing, and I was going to clean the kitchen today. And just kind of work around the house a little bit, that sort of thing. Do I need to be scooted this way? Yeah. Yeah, that kind of thing, and just try to be a little productive. And I feel like if I get dressed, put some makeup on, all that, I'm a little more productive overall. So that is what's going on, and I just decided I was sick of like cutting off half my face and having like a weird angle. I just feel like things were like off. So we're playing with angles. We'll see how it goes. I'm doing the test footage in a vlog so I can go check it out and see what it looks like. But yeah, I'm about to get my day started cleaning the kitchen, and I will see you guys in just a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna do dishes and just tidy up around here in the kitchen, put some music on, and we'll just time lapse this whole thing. Huh? Sound good? Sounds good to me. Okay, I've cleaned up this half of the kitchen. The dining room is still not great, and the living room is a nightmare. But I did what I can get done today. The rest of the stuff I need to sort through and figure out where to put. It's good as getting over in here. So yeah, this is where we keep our masks after I wash them in the sink. I put them up here to dry. This is my favorite custom mask here with the bees on it. This one's my husband's and this one's my dad's. I've been meaning to bring him, I keep forgetting to. I've brought him multiple masks, but this one was an experiment of doing around the head straps. And we keep, of course, some sanitizer right by the door. And yeah, got everything pretty clean. And I've got a stack of boxes. I'm just gonna hang on to these boxes because I end up using them for a tripod stand until I get a little tripod that I have my eye on. I'm gonna have to order it. But yeah, we got a mess over there to sort out, and yeah. But anyway, this part of the kitchen at least looks good, right? That's all I could ask for. At least half the kitchen's clean. Okay, so we finished cleaning the kitchen, and I think I'm gonna make some lunch and then probably do a little editing and see if that new framing thing is working out, if I like it or not. My little things have come out, whatever, who cares? Who cares? I look like a cone head today. I've got a pointy head. I need to make my bun bigger, balance this shit out. That's pretty much gonna be the rest of my day until dinner time. Is just editing videos and just piddling around doing some work on the computer and all that, and I will see you guys later.